Justin Baldoni majorly shifts legal strategy against Blake Lively after dismissal of $400 million defamation suit. Justin Baldoni will not be moving forward with amending his $400 million lawsuit against Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. After Judge Louis J. Lehman shockingly threw out Baldoni's countersuit earlier this month, the actor-slash-director's attorney, Brian Friedman, told Page Six that they are now focusing on Baldoni's defense. The court's decision on the motion to dismiss has no effect whatsoever on the truth that there was no harassment nor any smear campaign, and it does not in any way affect our vigorous defense against Ms. Lively's claims, Friedman said in a statement. Tuesday. Justin Baldoni will not be moving forward with amending his $400 million countersuit against Blake Lively. The decision comes after the judge dismissed the actor's defamation lawsuit against the Gossip Girl alum earlier this month and gave him the option to amend some of the claims by June 23. Justin Baldoni gains access to Taylor Swift and Blake Lively's private texts in legal victory. Page Six Radio reacts to Blake Lively asking a judge to block Justin Baldoni from Taylor Swift texts. Taylor Swift has ditched Blake Lively, with no way back for friendship, sources say she will forever be furious. Discovery is proceeding, and we are confident that we will prevail against these factually baseless accusations, he added. Lehman claimed in his ruling to dismiss the defamation suit that Baldoni and his legal team have not alleged that Lively is responsible for any statements other than the statements in her California Civil Rights Department complaint, which are privileged. As part of the judge's decision, Baldoni was given until June 23 to amend his claims for breach of implied government, suggesting that terms agreed upon in their legal agreement were violated, and tortious interference with contract intentionally disrupting the relationship or contractual agreement between parties, potentially leading to significant financial damages and reputational harm. However, instead of revising the existing claims, Friedman told us that they will be pursuing additional legal options that are available to us. The court's decision on the motion to dismiss has no effect whatsoever on the truth that there was no harassment nor any smear campaign, said Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, in a statement. However, instead of revising the existing claims, Friedman said they will be pursuing additional legal options that are available to them. Meanwhile, a spokesperson for Lively told Page Six in a statement, the court dismissed the frivolous $400 million Baldoni Wayfarer lawsuit in its entirety. In the days that followed, Baldoni's lawyer said the judge's decision to dismiss their case was not a big deal, as they promised to amend and refile it as per usual. That was not true. The court's dismissal of Baldoni's sham lawsuit was a total victory after all. Baldoni, 41, launched his suit against Lively, Reynolds, and their publicist Leslie Sloan in January after the Gossip Girl alum accused him of sexual harassment during production on Attend With Us. In a complaint filed last December, Baldoni launched his lawsuit against his Attend With Us co-star and her husband, Ryan Reynolds, in January after the actress filed a complaint accusing him of sexual harassment. Soon after she filed the complaint, Lively, 37, officially sued the Jane the Virgin alum for alleged sexual harassment, retaliation, breach of contract, infliction of emotional distress, invasion of privacy, and lost wages. Last week, Baldoni scored his own legal victory as Lehman ruled that he could access private text messages between Lively and Taylor Swift about the 2024 domestic violence film. The requests for messages with Swift regarding the film and this action are reasonably tailored to discover information that would prove or disprove Lively's harassment and retaliation claims, the judge said in documents obtained by Page Six.